Tullow Oil has won approval from Gabon's government to extend many of its licenses until 2046, expanding its resource base in the country. The company announced on Wednesday, 9 August 2023 that the license extensions boost the value of its resource base by adding about 5 million barrels of net 2 proved and probable reserves, which will provide almost 100% 2P reserves replacement in Gabon this year. This activity is in line with the group's strategy to focus on its high-return production assets in Africa and unlock value through optimization of its non-operated portfolio. The extensions reflect the future potential of the reserves and resources across Gabonese assets, as well as the longevity of the Yarambamba facilities as a core hub for Tullow. The Gambia's National Water and Electricity Company's recent days of frequent power outages has alarmed the residents of Yarambamba estate. Some of the residents complained that the frequent pauses in electrical supply had led to constant on and off of their meters and in some cases load shedding. They consequently urged the utility giant to take into account its purpose and provide uninterrupted supply of electricity. Oil prices steadied on Thursday as investor caution ahead of U.S. inflation data softened a protracted price rally on supply tightness. Brent crude had risen 14 cents to $87.69 per barrel, while West Texas Intermediate crude had risen 1 cent to $84.5 by morning. In recent times, oil prices have been supported by Saudi Arabia and Russia extending output restrictions, as well as supply anxieties fueled by the possibility of tensions between Russia and Ukraine in the Black Sea region, jeopardizing Russian oil exports. John Evans of oil broker PVM said, "There does not appear to be anything unusual in the oil industry that could derail this rally. Both analysts and traders are focused on fundamentals rather than what may be ailing the broader macroeconomic suit." Senior market analyst at Philip Nova, Priyanka Sachdeva, stated oil investors will be closely watching the U.S. inflation print, which is expected to show a slight rebound, a scenario that is likely to spur fears of more rate hikes. Visit EnergyGhanaMagazine.com for more on these stories. Energy Brief is proudly brought to you by Airport View Hotel.
Energy Ghana TV. Local in focus, global in perspective.